I'm gonna show you some Legos I've built today, or not today. So I built this car, this giant one, and then I built this T-Rex. What the with the Pikachu, which is Butterfree. It actually moved. I built this big block. I built Wally with this cool snake. Bowser, the Peely Bone. I built the Mecha Team Leader.
Not very good. These guys are more spaced out. I'm hiding in the chimney right here. Let's see what this guy does. Unfortunately, I can't.
I also built the NES.
So I don't know who's fighting here. Oh, this guy just got a kill. Nice. Looks like he's gonna get another one. All right, he's 1v1ing the llama here. Or not. They're just kind of running. Oh, another guy. Oh, he just killed the other guy. This guy's on a roll right now. Oh.
Also built Combo.
Can he win? Oh, alright, that was good. I don't know who this was, but